So this is another starting semester vlog. Like I'm going to start my 5th semester from Monday, and today is Thursday night, so technically Friday, whatever you say. I really felt like at least right now we would be in a state where we could go to college, but nah, we are not in that position still, so we are not going to college. Anyways, I'm actually hoping that I get vaccinated by next month, which is July, because I had COVID, so now I couldn't get vaccinated for 60 days. So now I hopefully can get vaccinated. I mean, that's something that I'm really looking forward to. I just hope I don't get like fever, because a lot of people are getting fever, but that's only like 5%. I have been I had like a 2-week holiday. I actually had 3 weeks holiday, but then I was preoccupied in the first week, so right now I got free like 2 weeks ago. So I have like had holidays for 2 weeks. तो मैं क्या कर रही थी? मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी. Like I was just lying around, like sleeping and reading and sleeping and eating and not even going down because बहुत ज़्यादा केस है, so you can't like go out and meet people. It's like very bad over here. Also, it has started raining, and rainy season is not my very favorite season. I just feel very gloomy, so I don't like this. Very recently I started doing this course on Skillshare, which is actually a free course about typography. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link. And no, Skillshare hasn't sponsored this video. It's just I was trying to see some free classes that I could do in these 4 days span. So that was what I was doing before, and also I was like learning how to do post-production on Photoshop. Like once you make those architectural models, then how do you do the post-production, because I suck at it. And saying just now my camera storage went off, so I had to delete some videos. So I was saying, because my laptop kind of died in between, so now it's alive again. I had to put all of my files in like my hard drive. So now it's okay, so now it's working. Photoshop is like very means it does not irritate my laptop a lot, so it works. So that I was doing. Also, something really fascinating happened recently. My one reel, let me show you guys, this one, it reached 1.1 million views. It's very shocking, because I have been making reels for like 6 months now, and I didn't expect anybody to watch it, frankly speaking. It's 1.1, it's like a lot. I don't know how that happened. And guys, I brought this keyboard and a laptop stand for myself. I didn't bring it, my parents brought it. It's a very nice investment for now. I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys, but my dad unboxed it when I was sleeping, so I couldn't unbox it, guys, sorry. I'll put the link in the description of the ones that I'm using. I brought it from Amazon, not sponsored. So yeah, that's all that's been happening. Tomorrow's goal should be to edit a video, because I've been like really lazy. I have to upload, and then yeah, I guess just watch that tutorial नहीं क्या कहते हैं, वो जो क्लास होती है ऑनलाइन, वो देख के then that's it. Okay, so right now a very funny thing happened. I told you guys that my college is on Monday, but actually my college is tomorrow, which is on Friday. I knew I remembered it like last week, and then I forgot. I thought like my college was on Monday, but it's tomorrow. But it really doesn't like make a sense like to keep like the first day on Friday, because nothing is gonna happen. So I consider it that it's gonna properly function from Monday. Anyways, it's like 1 o'clock. I literally did nothing after that. I just like did something, and then I started like just I was like scrolling Instagram. I have like really got addicted to Instagram these days, I guess. So I'm gonna sleep right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I have to attend classes. Yeah, bye bye.
Yeah.
This is like 5:30 in the evening, and it feels like it's almost night. I actually wanted to update you guys about my first day, but it's like not that bright in my room, so I thought I'd come in the kitchen because my kitchen has these very bright yellow lights. Anyways, so it was like really very simple, nothing happened on Fridays because we have only like 180 lectures, so you can see this week I've just oops this. And, yeah, that was pretty much it. Whatever I could like shoot, it was just the time I was like sitting and like trying to research about what, like they had asked us some question and we were just researching about it, and that was it. Now we actually have a meeting at 7 o'clock today to talk about that, you know, topic and discuss and then make a PPT on that for the next lecture. So that's been like everything that happened, like nothing very, like they gave us no big homework, it was just like one research thing. Yeah, that was pretty much it. It's very uneventful for now. So so I'm going to read now because I have a book on my iPad which I wanted to read but I couldn't finish, so I'll do that and then I think I'll shoot when I do something interesting because nothing has been happening until now. Yeah. I'm having this pastry. It's some kind of an English pastry. Let me try. I don't really like these frosting, but this frosting is really nice. I'm also having lychee. I ate so many lychees after I got up today. I really like lychee. Like my favorite, one of my favorites is lychee. Okay, so I'm going to meet my friends today after very long, I guess after 3 months or something. So I might not vlog during that time, but then today I wore new clothes. So the clothes that I just brought from Mitra. So this is achievement. I will see you guys later. Actually, it's about 1:30, 1:40ish, and I had to go to sleep right now. But then I wanted to show you guys, I finally shopped something from URBANIC. I mean, a lot of people have been shopping from that website, but I never got an opportunity. But then I saw this sale where there was like 2 t-shirts for $6.90. So I was like, let's give it a try. All the t-shirts came like more than 15 days late, which was very annoying. Honestly, I became very angry, but then it's okay. Let's open this. Hopefully whatever I have bought fits me. Ooh. Wow yaar, kya? Oh, Ziploc. It's nice. Ziploc hai to acha hai. Now we can use this Ziploc. Oh. Nice. This was one top. The quality is quite nice, but the top is like a crop top, so I mean I don't wear crop tops, so let's see. And then there was this another one. I like how they are in Ziplocs and how nicely they are packed. Wow. Hey, wow. This is so unique, yeah. This is so nice. I guess it's like worth the wait. Unless I mean, they fit me. I was so scared कि these things will not fit me, but they will. Now I'll go to sleep. At least now
Whatever I have buyed is okay, quite satisfied, I guess. I will go to sleep. Yeah, I'm tired. Bye bye.
Guys, before ending this vlog, I actually wanted to thank you all for 2000 subscribers. Honestly, it feels really still like a dream. I don't think I still have 2000 subscribers. I actually asked you guys to send me some questions, and I got some questions, so I thought that maybe I should reply to them. I will be answering to some questions only because this isn't a Q&A video. Maybe in some other video I will do a Q&A, but for now I'll just answer some questions about myself because it's been about more than 2.5 years I've been on YouTube, but I've never really answered some questions about myself. So yeah, let me take this opportunity to tell you something about me. The first question that I got was that how am I doing? So yeah, I'm doing well. I'm a little overwhelmed at the moment, but yeah, I think I'm trying to push myself and hopefully I'll get all my tasks done on time. Do you play PC games? I used to play PC games. Because like before when we don't used to play on mobiles, PC games were in. Club Penguin, then it was Animal Jam, then all the dress up games, Barbie games. Then I used to play Pac-Man, and then car games, bike games, detective games. I used to play all those games on PC. Used to have those websites, but now they don't exist. And then I used to play Sims. I used to play God of War, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but then ever since then, when I got my own laptop, it does not have a lot of space, it does not have a lot of RAM, so because of which it's either I can do my homework or I could download and play games. So that's why I don't play a lot of PC games now, but it's been so long. I really want to go back to playing PC games, but I think I'll be able to do that only when either I have this kind of a game which I can play online, or if I buy a new laptop. So yeah. Didi, boyfriend hai kya? No, I'm not interested. So yeah, anything you want to change in past? I think I really don't want to change anything. It's not that I don't regret, but then I feel like even my regrets made me who I am today, so I don't want to change anything. But one thing that I would really like to change would be that ever since class 8th, you have this pressure to score more, 10th standard, 12th standard, why are you not studying? Oh, ye wo, time waste mat karo. Oh my god, I'm feeling so enthusiastic when I'm talking about this. But then since 8th standard, you have this pressure to study hard and work hard because 12th standard mein college nahi milega. And because of that, I just disconnected from all my hobbies and everything that I actually liked to do, or anything that I wanted to try out. I tried it out for a month and then left it because I thought I won't be able to manage my studies. So I think if I could go back in time, I would actually do all the hobbies that I can do. Anything. I did basketball, I remember. I was this close to joining Bharatnatyam again, but then again I didn't do because I was like 12th standard hai, 10th standard hai, I can't do anything, because even like when I studied so hard I didn't score that well. So I feel that it was of no use. I should have just done other things. Again, it's only my opinion, but then yeah, if that's something I can change, I'll like to go back and change. What is your favorite memory from school? I think like I don't have a very favorite memory, but then I think it was in my 11th and 12th standard when I used to just have those normal days in school. Just normal days, like going to the science lab, computer lab, eating my lunch, or studying, or like in the bus, or just chatting in the free period. I really cherish my 11th and 12th days. So yeah, I guess that would be my favorite memory. Yeah. What software do you use to edit your video? I actually have a very weird thing going on right now. I actually was thinking if I should make a how I edit my video kind of a video. If you're interested in that, I will definitely make that. So this year I actually switched to editing on my laptop, Actually, I should say last year December I switched. So I used 3 softwares until now: Filmora X or something, or Filmora Go, DaVinci Resolve, and currently I'm using Premiere Pro. Before that, I used to use KineMaster, and it's on my phone. So because my phone is an S10, it's very durable. मतलब कुछ भी कर लो इसमें चल जाता है, पढ़ाई भी इससे कर लो, वीडियो एडिटिंग भी इस पे कर लो. अभी कैमरा इसका it's like not that good right now, but then when it was at its peak, I used to also record my videos on this. So, and a lot of people did not really make out if I was using my laptop or my phone for editing or whatsoever. So I think that's why I used to use my phone only. But then very recently, when my camera also of this died and I got a new camera, I thought that I should level up, and then I started editing on my laptop. I honestly feel editing on my laptop is very overwhelming because my laptop crashes, but then I think it's better if I learn it because it will be also helpful in other things also nevertheless. And also editing style, as per, I think I don't have any because I've been switching my videos editing softwares a lot of times, so I still think I don't have my editing skill that I want to have. But if you like my skills, then thank you. Why did you start your YouTube channel? I started my YouTube channel. It's actually a long story. I discussed about this in a podcast that I shot earlier this year with my friend, so you can watch that podcast on his channel. The link would be in the description. But in short, it's just because my brother told me to start, so I started my channel. Yeah, it wasn't really कि I want to show my college life or something, or my school life, or what I'm studying or something. It was just I started and I didn't know what to do. So yeah. Other than that, I actually had a lot of questions related to architecture school and everything, which I'll not be answering. But then there was one thing that kept on coming up, which was related to how to handle pre-finals, or like, how to handle your time in general. I think I'm not very good in it myself. I'm struggling a lot these days. But then if one thing that I could tell you is that you need to ask this question yourself: how to handle your time. I'm nobody to answer because everybody functions differently. So there are some people who work on time and they can't work in a hurry. There are some people who can only work in a hurry. There are some people who will work in installments and then finish that assignment. So you really need to understand what kind of a person you are and then work according to that. For me, I need to work in installments to finish my work before deadline, so I always do that. So you need to find it yourself. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for 2000 subscribers. I shall see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.